Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that's more than just a slow cooker, it's a canvas for your culinary creativity. We're talking about the BLACK+DECKER 7-Quart slow cooker, model SCD4007, with its unique chalkboard exterior. Now, the first thing that catches your eye with this slow cooker is undeniably its chalkboard surface. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a genuinely practical and fun feature. Imagine being able to label your dishes for a potluck, jot down recipe notes directly on the appliance while you're cooking, or even leave fun messages for your family. They even include 2 sticks of chalk to get you started, and it works with standard chalk sticks, though they don't recommend chalk pens, which makes sense to avoid smudging. This feature is brilliant for families, especially if you want to get kids involved in meal prep or just add a personal touch to your kitchen decor. It really transforms a functional appliance into a conversation piece. Beyond the novelty, let's talk about its core function as a slow cooker. This model boasts a generous 7-quart capacity, which is perfect for larger families, entertaining guests, or for those meal prep sessions where you want leftovers for days. The stoneware crock is durable, designed to retain heat effectively, ensuring even cooking throughout the process. When it comes to controlling your cooking, the BLACK+DECKER SCD4007 offers 3 essential heat settings: low, high, and warm. The low setting is ideal for those long, slow cooks, typically around 8 to 9 hours, perfect for tenderizing tougher cuts of meat or for dishes that need time to develop deep flavors. The high setting will get your meal ready in a much shorter time frame, usually 3 to 4 hours, great for when you're short on time but still want that slow-cooked goodness. And of course, the warm setting is invaluable for keeping your finished dish at the perfect serving temperature without overcooking it, which is a lifesaver when you have people eating at different times. One feature that often gets overlooked but is a major convenience is the built-in lid holder. This is such a thoughtful addition. Instead of having to find a place to rest a hot, messy lid on your countertop, you can simply prop it up on the side handles. This keeps your workspace cleaner and makes it easier to stir and serve your food without juggling the lid. It's a small detail, but it makes a noticeable difference in the overall user experience. Cleaning is always a consideration with kitchen appliances, and the BLACK+DECKER SCD4007 aims to make this as painless as possible. The removable stoneware crock is dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver. The tempered glass lid is also designed for easy cleaning. While you'll obviously need to wipe down the chalkboard exterior, it's a simple task. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. The chalkboard exterior is a definite pro. It's unique, fun, and functional. The 7-quart capacity is generous. The 3 heat settings cover most cooking needs, and the lid holder is a great convenience. The dishwasher-safe crock is also a significant plus. On the flip side, while the chalkboard is a fun feature, some users might find it a bit gimmicky and prefer a more traditional, sleek look. Also, as with most basic slow cookers, it lacks digital timers or programmable settings, which some people have come to expect in modern kitchen appliances. If you need precise timing and multiple stages of cooking, this might not be the most advanced option. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER 7-Quart chalkboard slow cooker is a charming and practical addition to any kitchen. It excels at its primary function of slow cooking and adds a delightful element of personalization and interactivity. If you're looking for a reliable, good-sized slow cooker with a fun twist that can also serve as a creative outlet and a great way to involve the family in the kitchen, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.